happy to demonstrate the Avanade safety bot. And the safety bot is a natural speech application that we've built using Microsoft Cognitive Services. And using a number of the Microsoft Cognitive Services APIs, we are able to use natural speech as an input method, and in this scenario, to help fill out safety incident management forms. So the first thing we'll do is we'll use natural speech in a live setting where we'll actually just record an audio track and the system will convert it. So I'll show you that. This is George Urquhart reporting a vehicle accident at Universal Studios. Once we're done doing the audio recording, we will submit it. The audio recording now goes out over the internet and it passes through a number of Microsoft Cognitive Services that then will translate the text and do some analysis for us. And it's back. And so you can see it does a good job with Microsoft's Universal Library. And it picks up very common words such as this or reporting, but it doesn't handle some of the specific language very well without training. And so you can see it handles the last name in a very literal way. And it does somewhat of a poor job of actually populating the forms. And you can see where the blue font is where it's done a very limited job of recognizing important text. And so what we can do instead is we can go and train the specific language that's important to this scenario or the organization that we're working with, and the system will have a much better success in picking up those terms. In this case, instead of doing live audio, we'll use a pre-recorded sample. And in the same way, we will submit it out over the internet, and this will go out into those Microsoft services. And you can see it's going through the submission process. And the Microsoft services are then translating the voice to text and doing an analysis to find out the important keywords. And you can see there's a much higher level of blue marks, which shows a much better recognition hit rate. And it does a much better job taking complex words such as last names, in this case it says Forsyth, and translating that into the actual name. From there, through the analysis, it's picked up all the keywords and it's actually populated them in this sample form that we have at the bottom in a much more accurate way. And that is the Avanade safety bot. Thank you.